Hey everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to Marigold Dreams Art. Today is a lovely spring afternoon with a soft breeze and air, and I'm sitting with my small garden surrounded by beautiful flowers with a cup of warm tea beside me just the way I like it. This is very first painting after Ramadan and I feel quite special. The weather is very calm and gentle. This is the rainy day, perfect for a peaceful watercolor session. So, my paper and color are ready, and I'm going to paint this quite beautiful moment. Today, I'll paint very simple and minimal landscape. I'm following the wet on wet technique. Firstly, I'm doing my sky and then I go through the land. Hope you will enjoy my painting with me. Sit back, relax, and enjoy my painting. So, my entire painting is finished. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a typical Asian landscape. Okay, stay with me. Bye bye.